Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of the first video that I made, and I have to complete this part from here in Dubai Marina, and I want to show you how this place looks like. So please make sure you watch the entire video, know what Dubai Marina looks like, what are the things that make up Dubai Marina, how the skyscrapers, how are the fancy restaurants, and all other things that you will be seeing in this video. So make sure you watch the video from the beginning until the end. It's just short, just watch it and enjoy it. So when we talk about Dubai Marina, you have to hear things like architectural marvels, you have to hear things about Dubai Marina Walk, and lifestyle and culture, dining and nightlife here in Dubai Marina. So all those things that you hear do happen here in Dubai Marina, and it's a very fancy place. As you can see, the skyscrapers tell it all, but this is a very beautiful place with all these beautiful hotels and a lot of things yet to see that make up Dubai Marina. Actually, if you are planning to come to Dubai, make sure you include Dubai Marina on your to-do list. Make sure you explore Dubai Marina and see what amazing things, ranging from the beaches, the fancy restaurants, the beautiful skyscrapers, and also nightlife here in Dubai Marina. Yes, but remember, if you are to come to Dubai, this timing is not good. Between June to August, it's always very hot. Temperatures ranging between 30 to 38. So sometimes goes beyond that. So you have to make sure at least you plan and make sure your budget takes you, like brings you to Dubai in the month of September to March or April. So that one, it will be a very good timing for you to enjoy Dubai, because we believe around that time there is very good temperatures which can favor you to move around without any hindrance. Look at this very beautiful place. Wow. And there is a sports complex right there. As you can see, the other blue thing you see, that is the sports complex. So I believe there is so many facilities ranging from the beach. There is also here the sports complex and a lot of other things. So once you come to Dubai Marina, your money won't get wasted, like mostly for the low budget, low budgeters, low spenders. Yes, so I'm looking for a way to take me to the Marina Canal. I want to see how it looks like and also have the view to the beautiful luxury yacht and also other things. So let's find the way to the canal and we see how it is. Okay, finally I found the way to the canal. So let's explore and see how this canal looks like. First impression, the place is very beautiful with green trees and green pasture all around. Wow. Yeah, hello boss. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Good?
I'm good, bro. Yeah, so the guys are busy working. I think they're working inside this building, trying to fix something. Yeah. So let's walk around here for a short time, and yeah, we see how the place looks like. This is Dubai Marina, and this is the canal. Very beautiful place for walking, jogging. I think also the cyclists are allowed to ride over here. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Is it not beautiful? So if it is beautiful, give my video a like, a share, and also subscribe to the channel. I am Authentic Hillary, and I want you to help me, support me by sharing my videos and by subscribing. Pet-free zone. Thank you for not bringing your pet along. So pets are not allowed. Fishing is prohibited, and life buoy for emergency use only. So that is a warning. Here we are under the bridge, and this is the canal. You know. See, this the place of these scooters. Intercontinental promenade. So single trip 19 dirham, daily 29, weekly 59, monthly 39. Pay as you go for 30 days. So I think for 30 days you have to pay 39 every day, but you maybe take it home, you use it regularly like that. So 60 unlocks for 30 days, and the charge is 99. Wow. But this is useful, like if you want to move around, this canal, it's very useful. It can take you around within the shortest possible time, and you visit the whole place, you finish it. So it's better if you know how to ride. You can take one and make a quick tour around the place. The reason why you can't see people here is because it's during the day, but at night when the sun goes down, this place catches fire. The whole place is overcrowded, and mostly also on weekends, like on Saturday and Fridays. This place is something else. So by right now, because it is it's a Monday, many people are still at work, and adding that it's during the day and hot temperatures, it's very rare to see people here. But at night when the sun goes down, the place catches fire, bro. All these are restaurants, but right now they are empty. Children playing park. Yeah. Yes, so from all corners, from wherever you are, this place, Dubai Marina, is easily accessible. Like you can use public buses, you can use the Dubai Metro, taxis, and also you can use your private vehicle if you have, and come to this place. The cheapest means is by use of metro. There is a metro station, and it's called DMCC metro station, and also there is the closest one, also Jabal Ali. So you can use both the metro stations and come out, then enjoy the beautiful scenes of Dubai Marina. So wherever you are, don't think you won't have access to this place because you don't have a private vehicle or you don't have a lot of money. On the Dubai Metro, it's only 7.5 dirham, and you are here and you explore this beautiful place. And also on the public bus, same thing. and taxis might charge you a bit higher, but also it's favorable. See, and also there is actually the what is it, the water bus. It's called the Dubai ferry. Also it's for public transportation, so in case you want to use the canal to try to sail along the canal, there are always those Dubai ferries, so they can take you around, and I think it's also not costly. I haven't asked for the price yet, but I believe it's not very expensive. So next time I will maybe try to use it, like try to move around, and I will give you a whole experience. Yes, so guys, that was our video for Dubai Canal, this Dubai Marina Canal, and we just finished it. And allow me to now exit the place and find my way out. Yeah, probably I'm going to end my video, and I hope you will like it, share it, and also comment. Yeah, if you need to know anything about Dubai Marina, I'm always available. You can ask me any question, and I'm always available to answer. So don't hesitate to ask your question in the comment sections. And also, if you want, yeah, you can support. It's not mandatory, but yeah, any support, highly welcome. Yeah, so this is Dubai Marina, and now I left the Dubai Marina Canal, and now I am here on top. Yeah, you can see I'm on the walking along the bridge, and this is how it looks like. And yeah, the ferries are right there, and the rich people are enjoying, as you can see. Yeah, so why not to enjoy like these people? Come and explore this beautiful place. And here is a beautiful cruise ferry, and I know at night it gets filled up and they have to move around the canal, enjoying free food and also other entertainment. So if you have money, here it is. You can just come and pay. Usually they advertise, and I always see on the advertisement there is the charge is always 49 dirham, like that. So, and with food included. So if you want the place to enjoy is here, you can come and check out this beautiful place, this beautiful ferry. It has the top, the inside, and I think maybe the charge is not the same. Like if you are on top, maybe you add some money. Yeah, so that's how it is. Allow me to end my video from here, guys, and I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you have really learned something. So next time I will also come to this beautiful place, make other very interesting videos. I'll take you to the Blue Waters Island and also other places. So make sure you stick to this YouTube channel and subscribe for more updates. See you when you see me. Ciao.